Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Karen, and we're seeing how her car has been lowered. So we're going to measure the wheel well height and see how much that car has been lowered. But you can see it seems like quite a bit. But every inch counts. So let's just measure the wheel wells and see what we got. Oh, I wasn't on the ground there. On the ground, we got 24 1/4 on hers, right through the wheel. And on mine, we have 25 3/4. So that's 1.5 inches. Right through the wheel, 24 1/4 again. And on mine, right through the wheel, I got a little load on mine, so I'm at 24 3/4. So just about a 1/2 inch on the rear. So the back's not too much off, but the front is. Left is the one that was on the car. The belt on the right is the one Karen was about to give me. I think we'll let her keep her belt. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.